Hello everyone. Today I am discuss about Voice VLAN configuration. What is the Voice VLAN? It is the specific VLAN and dedicated to voice traffic and such as the traffic generated by IP phones or voice over IP devices. Okay, let's move my today diagram. You can see my diagram. You can see this network have two VLANs. First one is yellow color and another one is blue color. Okay. I am already assigning IP address for PC. These two PCs. You can see. Okay. Now move to today's first configuration part. Now I am open switch CLI. Enable configure terminal int range. Now I am created this two network using int range command. Int range f0/1 to 2. Okay. Switch port on access. Switch port access VLAN. First VLAN is VLAN 10. And next VLAN is a voice VLAN. This you can see, these two IP phones have voice connection, therefore voice VLAN. Access voice VLAN 20. Oh, sorry. Switch port voice VLAN 2. Okay. Now you can exit and save it. Okay. Now I'm finished created access VLAN list. Okay. Now I need to create trunk mode for this port. Interface is 0 switch port mode trunk switch port trunk allowed VLAN 1, 10 and 20. 1 means it is a default VLAN. Okay. Then exit. Okay. Switch configuration part is done, and now move to next configuration part. Go to router and create interface with encapsulation. For this interface, enable interface f.10 version VLAN 10. an IP address 192.12.1.1 255.255.255.0 and exit. Now I create next 20 VLAN. Dot encapsulation dot 20 and IP address is 192.12.2.1. You can see default IP address. This VLAN default IP address is 11 and this VLAN default IP address is 21. Okay. Exit. Okay. Encapsulation part is done. Now I create DHCP IP DHCP pool. I create pool. First pool name is data. Network is VLAN 10 network 12.1.0. So their default IP address is 192.12.1.1. Now exit. The next I create for this two IP phones. Its name, full name, voice. The network 192.12.2.0. Default IP route IP is 192.12.2.1. Now press exit. Now I create to specify IP address of the DHCP server. Its command is create IP DHCP pool, same name, voice, and next type option 150 IP VLAN 20 default router IP address. Press this option 150 mean it is a DHCP option and it is used to specify the IP address of the DHCP TFTP server. What is the what's the meaning about TFTP? TFTP means trivial file transfer protocol. Okay. Now exit. And now I use no shutdown command for this interface. You can see now all these two interfaces are now in green color. It is configured. Now I go to IP phone and set their connect their power adapter. Okay, you can see now green color. Now I move to next IP phone and connect their power adapter. Okay. Now I go to create these two IP phones services. Exit tele service and max DN. How many devices connected? Max DN mean next max E phone ePhones mean these two devices. Okay. Next I type source address. Oh, this ePhones the address 2.1. This is a default gateway for this VLAN 20 network. Port. Okay. And auto assign 1 to 2. 1 to 2 means this iPhone 1 and 2 iPhone. 2 IP phones. Okay. And press exit. Now I am set the iPhone numbers. EP phone DN1 number is 2000 and exit. Next I type number 2 number 2001 and exit. Okay. So now I said finish their numbers. Okay. Next I go to check GUI. You can see their number is perfectly configured. And now I go to next IP phone. You can see. Okay. Now I try to ping. Now I try to connect this ePhone to this ePhone. Now I type this IP phone number and you can see it is you can see this IP phone perfectly connected. Okay, that's all about today my video. Please share with your friend and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.